beans recipe makes a perfect side or vegetarian dish as is, and it's easy to make too. Hey friends, Chef Wainaina here. This is one of those recipes even very picky eaters will enjoy. My recipe comes with lots of vegetables tucked in as always. So first things first, I have a cup of basmati rice here. I will head to the sink, wash this rice thoroughly until the water runs clear. For the beans, I'm using these red kidney beans. I'm going to drain them into a colander and then run them through some water. To start our rice and beans recipe, I'm going to chop up all these vegetables, about a half a cup of each, starting with this onion. We probably need just a half of it. This goes into this bowl. A small bell pepper, just roughly diced. Gather into the same bowl. Peel and dice a half of this carrot. Just rough dice. Goes into the bowl. I got 2 ribs of celery. Just dice. This is a recipe that you can actually use whatever vegetables that you have in your pantry. Going to take just about slightly under a half of this green bell pepper. That is done. Our chopped vegetables are ready to go. Into this pan, add about 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Add the vegetables and start caramelizing them. Straight away season salt and pepper. The onions, carrots and the peppers have nicely sauteed here. Add a teaspoon of garlic ginger paste, a half a teaspoon of cumin, a teaspoon of coriander, just a pinch red pepper flake. This is optional. Add 1 tomato that I finely diced when the vegetables were still cooking. Into the pot, 2 bay leaves and 2 sprigs of thyme that I'm going to pull out when the rice is done. This is where all the flavors for the dish are being developed. So this is a very important stage. Do not skip this one. Now, once the tomatoes have slightly cooked down, add the rice. Add in the kidney beans. You can use any kind of beans that you have. The Mexican version of this dish uses black beans, and they are very delicious also. It's looking yummy already. Give me a thumbs up on this dish if you're already loving it. Add about 1.25 cups of vegetable stock, or you can use water. Cover the pot and cook until the rice is nice and fluffy. This will take about 15 minutes and the beans are all cooked through. So this pot has been cooking for the last 15 minutes. Fluff this rice. Add in some of this lemon juice that I have just squeezed. Then some scallions and cilantro that I chopped while the dish was still cooking. More cilantro. This gives it freshness and fragrance. This is so good. Give it one more stir, mix everything in. Pull out the thyme sprig. It's done its job. And you can also pull out the bay leaves. I'll give this a taste just to see if we need any adjustments. It's perfect. Turn off the heat and let it rest for about 5 minutes. Friends, after our rice was fully cooked, we let it rest for about 5 to 10 minutes and we end up with this delicious and comforting rice and beans dish with lots of vegetables in it. A dish that you can serve as a perfect side dish or a vegetarian meal all by itself. So friends, thank you so much for watching this one. I hope to see you in the next one. Just remember, comment and subscribe to my channel, please. Give me a like. See you soon.